BMA Biotech, tomorrow's solutions, today. Introduces tank cleaning solution, a robust and highly effective tank cleaning chemical. BMA Biotech's tank cleaning solution is a thermodynamically stable microemulsion combined with a pseudo solvent which has been engineered to remove a variety of organic and inorganic soiling from the internal and external surfaces of crude oil storage tanks, rail tank cars, marine cargo holds and other metallic surfaces. TCS is an effective and fit-for-purpose chemical which considerably reduces risks to health, safety and the environment. To further enhance the effects of TCS, cleaning times and chemical usage is dramatically reduced. This testing is designed to show the difference in TCS compared to a conventional solvent-based product which is widely used within the tank cleaning industry. The solvent cleaner has been applied directly to the surface of the sample section prior to the addition of water, as per the manufacturer's recommendation. The solvent cleaner was allowed to absorb into the surface for 25 minutes. You will notice that there is little to no change of the overall surface covering. However, as the solvent cleaner absorbed into the asphaltene sample, it began to run off the surface, but stopped once the effectiveness of the solvent had stopped working. This is denoted by the red circle on the after slide. The video is now of the removal of the asphaltene samples with using a 1800 psi pressure washer. You'll notice on the solvent that even though there is a small amount of removal, the water must first remove the remaining excess solvent prior to the asphaltene, and you'll see the difference with the TCS slide. Both samples were prepared by heating the asphaltene to a temperature of 165 degrees Fahrenheit for a period of 60 minutes to allow the polymers to adhere more firmly to the steel section. After 31 seconds, it is clear to see that the TCS product has removed more of the asphaltene section than the solvent-based product. Within 1 minute and 20 seconds, the TCS product completely cleaned the steel section, whereas the solvent-based product had cleaned just over 49%, which was mainly the thicker surface covering and allowed the more harder to remove fine surface covering to remain.